Hey, Ty Cohen here, and man, it's a beautiful day outside. Take a look at this thing here. And I've got my daughter Summer with her dog Gucci. All right. So what I'm here to talk to you about is we're doing a special training this week. I've got a good friend of mine, Steve Rosenberg, who's going to, Steve Rosenbaum, sorry about that, Steve, who's going to be actually talking about a new traffic platform that is actually not so new. It's one that has been around forever, but very few people are using it. And most importantly, you can use it to sell just about anything. So whether you're trying to sell and get more visibility for your Kindle books, your own personal physical books, your own products, your own services, affiliate products, you can use this platform. And what is the platform? It's LinkedIn. So LinkedIn has been around forever. There's tens and tens, probably hundreds of millions of people that are on this platform that are looking for exactly what it is that you have available. As a matter of fact, these people are some of the most qualified individuals because they're not being marketed too much. And there's just an amazing way to get your product in front of them for free. So I want you to go in, you might see a link or you might see a button somewhere below this video. I want you to go in and click that link or that button. You might see like, did I say a link or a button below this video? I'm double talking here. You might see a link below this video or you might see a button below this video. Whichever one you see, I want you to go ahead and click on it, register for this week's training. And even if you're not able to join us live, I still want you to go in and register because we'll be sending out a replay link and it's actually only going to go out to the people that register. Okay, so I want you to make sure that you register. Again, even if you're not able to join us live, do so. Go ahead, click that link, click the button that you see below, and I'll see you. Ty Cohen. Remember, this is still your year of the paper, regardless of the obstacles, regardless of all the challenges, regardless of everything that may have been thrown your way this year. This is still your year of the paper, and I'm going to help you to make it your year of the paper by only giving you good stuff that can help you. All right, so go ahead, register right now. Make sure that you follow me on YouTube as well, so that you can get all of the latest and greatest updates. You can do that by going to kindlecashflow.com/YouTube. We hold some amazingly incredible contests where we give away some great prizes every single week. Prizes like iPhones and MacBook Airs and Amazon gift cards that range in denomination from $25 to $50. We're giving away a couple of AirPods this week as well. So not only do I want you to register for this training that's coming up, so you'll get some cool stuff like this, but I also want you to go in and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And again, that URL is kindlecashflow.com/YouTube.